If you're wondering how much storage space you have left on your Kindle, it's very easy to do. So you need to go into the settings. Two ways of doing it. You can tap the top of your screen and then you can tap the three buttons here and then you can go into settings, or you can just scroll down from the top and then you can go to all settings. When you're here, you go to device options. And now we're going to go to storage management. And here it will tell you what you've used and what you've got free. So this little black section is what's being used and this white section is what you've got free. So there's 648 megabytes and you've got 5.6 gigabytes free storage left. So there's loads of space on this particular Kindle. If you're running out of space, you can actually manually remove stuff by going to this one here. And then you can choose whether you want to remove books, Audible, docs, etc. So that's it. That's how to do your data storage. If you just press X, you will be back to your book again. Thanks for watching.